What's up, guys? We're into week 2 of our mobile detailing journey, and today we're tackling our 4th job already. And let me tell you, this one was a monster. We're talking 3 rows of seats with some seriously stained upholstery. Honestly, this one was our toughest job we've tackled so far. It literally took us 5.5 hours, and we're really trying to cut down on our time. We're thinking about grabbing a steamer to help speed things up. What do you guys think?
You did get the back seat, right?
If you got any tips on working faster, drop them in the comments, because as you know, we're all about working smarter, not harder. Anyways, my wife jumped on stain duty today, and she was a beast. First, we agitated the stains with a brush and some cleaner, then hit it with the carpet extractor to pull out all that grime. The water was straight up brown. Our customer was blown away by the results, and honestly, so were we. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and watch us grow this brand new business from the ground up. Comment below on what you want to see next, and thanks for watching.